Benvenuti. Welcome to Italian for Beginners. I'm your Italian teacher Sara, and today I'm with Italian vocabulary, the wheather vocabulary. Italian for beginners must watch this video if you want to learn Italian in the easiest way. So let's begin. Our first word is rain. Rain. The rain, la pioggia. We will use the article la here because the pioggia is the feminine word, la pioggia. Our second word is snow. The snow, la neve. La neve. Let's move on to our next word. This is fog. Fog. The fog, la nebbia. La nebbia. Please everyone pronounce these words with me, okay? Cloudy. Cloudy. Nuvoloso. Nuvoloso. Cloudy. Nuvoloso. The next word is sunshine. Sunshine. Luce del sole. Luce del sole. In English, the light of the sun. Cold. Cold. Freddo. Freddo. Cold, freddo. Warm, warm, caldo. Windy, ventoso. Ventoso. Must subscribe to my channel for more videos. Thank you so much.